Most rivers in India are revered and considered sacred. Chambal is an exception. Unlike the sacred Ganges, the Chambal and surrounding land are traditionally regarded as cursed and dangerous badlands. Legend has it that the Chambal River originated from the blood of thousands of animals sacrificed by a ruler in his quest for absolute power, prompting the priests to curse Chambal's water and label her unholy. This long-held belief deterred human settlements on the banks of the river. This is perhaps why, except for Kota, no industrial town or significant settlements were established around the Chambal. But this aspect turned into an opportunity for the wilds of Chambal. Today, Chambal is one of the cleanest rivers in North India, pristine and teeming with wildlife.